Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you exactly how to add multiple accounts on TikTok. Let's dive right in. Start by opening the TikTok app on your browser or app you just like usual. If you prefer, you can also do this from your laptop or any other device you have. Once you're logged in, adding more accounts and switching between them is quick and easy. Just head to your profile and from there you can log in using the email address, username or phone number. Already logged in with into one account, you can add another anytime. Got a spare or new email address, use it to set up an additional account. After creating your new account, go back to your profile and tap login. Enter your details and you are signed in. Now you can stay sign in into multiple accounts at once, and this even works through a browser. For example, I can just search tiktok.com in my browser and use TikTok straight from my laptop or PC, and that's it. And that's how easily to manage multiple TikTok accounts. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like the video, drop a comment below and subscribe to the channel.